sweets, and today I'm making something I really wanted to make for a long time. It's a beautiful and fiery snack from Avatar: The Last Airbender. They're just called Fire Flakes, and I'm really excited because the way Sokka ate them made them look like death, so let's give it a try.
Flaming Fire Flakes, best in town.
I'll take them.
And thank you to Vasiliki V for suggesting this recipe, because I can't believe I haven't made this before because it makes me so happy and it's so simple. Okay, let's do it. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 4.5 cups of cornflakes. You can use the home brand if you like, but I like using the name brand because I had them. About 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of a flavor neutral oil, so canola oil, vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoons of warm honey, or 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. For the base amount of spice, you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon to 1 full teaspoon of salt, depending on how salty you like your snacks, 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. I use smoked paprika here, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And now, to make these beautifully and fiery, 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you are a little kiddie or do not like spice, you can always omit this or just add a little bit, but this is what gives it that beautiful fiery flaky crust. This is what will give it that beautiful fiery kick and make us run and try to find some cactus juice. Okay, now the thing I like about this recipe is it is so simple. You could make this with your little siblings or cousins if you wanted as well, or yourself if you just want to make a really nice quick snack. And what I'm going to do is literally just throw all of this into a large Ziploc bag, shake it around until it's nicely coated, and I'm going to put it in the oven. So easy. Now you can of course put this in a container with a lid and shake it as well, but Ziploc bags are easy and disposable. Well, this is not going to go well. Oh, it's going well. It's not going well. Once your flakes are nice and covered in all the spices, we're going to preheat the oven to about 140 degrees Celsius or 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to place some baking paper onto our baking trays and spread out the fire flakes all over there. I'm so excited. And then we're going to bake them for about 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. About halfway through, just give them a bit of a shake or turn them over. This just helps to get them nice and crispy. As you can see, they're nice and crunchy. All the spices have just mingled and it smells incredible. Okay guys, so this is how you make my version of Fire Flakes from Avatar: Last Airbender. I'm so excited to eat these. I've made these multiple times before. Me and my brother always used to make them similar to Honey Joys, which we've made before on the channel, but it's like a savory version and it's spicy and delicious. Now, I'm definitely a water tribe girl at heart. I'm just disguised in clothing to get close to the enemy. And I don't really like cayenne pepper that much. I am very spice averse, so I've made some without the spice, but I will try them with Flavia because I know she's a spicy lass. She's definitely Fire Nation. And I say, let's eat. Okay, so, before you try the spice, try it. So this doesn't have, this has like a pinch of the chili. Okay. But yeah, you just see how crispy they are.
Yeah, I'm loving that. Oh, those are really yum.
Yeah, it's like got the sweetness from the honey, but it's got the savory. Oh, it's just so good.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Love the flavors in that.
And yeah, these are the spicy ones.
Okay.
Look, they're delicious. I just can't eat them.
I don't mind a bit of spice.
Yeah, we're very different in that sense. Okay.
Oh,
cheers, sorry.
Oh, I really
need milk.
Oh, that's so good. I really like it with the spice.
Oh, water makes it worse. It's okay.
I'm gonna get you some milk.
But I must admit, it's really nice. Like, I can handle it, but I wouldn't go back more. I'm a stage my weenie ones, thank you.
I like the
But yeah,
spice.
make these. They're so delicious and they're so easy, and you can just make them and then just rewatch Avatar because everyone needs Uncle Iroh in their life.
I do.
Oh,
That
I love
man.
him so much. Make them, you won't regret it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns. Lame. I don't care.